Today, an amazing spicy tomato soup. So guys, let's do it. To make this delicious spicy soup, you want to start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. And then you want to take a nice large baking tray and the star of the show, a selection of tomatoes. You want to use a range of different tomatoes, all different shapes and sizes and varieties. And any tomatoes on the vine, keep the vines. Pop the tomatoes into the tray, cut in half any big ones, and next, to add a great kick to the soup, we want some fresh red chilies. Simply chuck a few chilies into the pan, add as many as you want, and next, some shallots. So simply peel the shallots, chop them into half or quarters, throw those into the pan, and next, a whole bulb of garlic. And all you want to do with the garlic is chop off the top, exposing the cloves inside, and stick that into the pan. Next, we want to get in there with some olive oil, so give everything a really good drizzle. Season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper, and make sure you add a little dash of the olive oil to the top of the garlic so it gets inside and coats the cloves to really help it roast off beautifully. Once we've prepped our tray of ingredients, you want to stick that into the oven, and we basically want to roast this off for about 30 to 40 minutes or so until the tomatoes are starting to get blistered and broken down. The chilies will be getting blistered, the shallots will be getting caramelized, and the garlic is lovely roasted and soft. Once we're done, take the tray out, pop it to one side, and very simply grab your garlic, give it a really good squeeze, and all of the soft roasted garlic will ooze out into the tray. Squeeze out all of that garlic, and then remove the skin, remove any pieces of tomato vine, and then pour everything into a saucepan. Soon as that lot's in, you want to take a few leaves of fresh basil, tear them into the soup. Next, pour in some vegetable stock, and then we need a hand blender. So get in there with a blender and blitz everything up until it's beautiful, glossy, smooth and delicious. And we want to season to taste, and you want to add some extra virgin olive oil. Blend again until it's really nice and smooth, and leave it there on a nice gentle simmer. Next, you want to take some beautiful ciabatta, cut it in half, and a little trick, you want to take a clove of garlic, peel and cut it in half, and rub the ciabatta in the garlic just to give it a nice subtle garlicky hum. And then you want to lay the pieces into a roasting tray, and just before they go under the grill, give them a nice drizzle in some olive oil. And the trick here, you want to toast them off until they're starting to get golden brown, and then grate over some Parmesan or Pecorino cheese. Pop them back under the grill for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so the cheese beautifully melts and starts to lightly toast, and then we're good to go. Grate over some Parmesan, pop your ciabatta to one side, pour out a nice bowl of your soup, and you want to finish the soup with a little drizzle of cream and some extra virgin olive oil. And there we have an amazing roast tomato soup with a beautiful kick from the chili. And all that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.